Holsti.
Holsti, just.
Ja asuntoskeittiö Jyväskylän Kolikkomäki.
Yeah, today's the night of August 2021. We have Kolikkotie 5 staircase T here in Holsti, one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä. In Keski-Suomi, Melästä, Finland, and the capacity is 3 persons per grams, built in early 1970 by Kone, with having 6 pictures, and 50 years old in the last year, 2020. We have filmed other staircases here too, maybe you can see, so all of them are filmed now.
Yeah.
You can watch all of these here, but these are not the most important ones. The most important ones are far much later because they're going to get replaced. We don't know exactly when, but we have to get to them also.
Yeah.
The number is H18868. It's going to be expected in 2023. Let's try this. There are 5 floors here. Amazing too.
Yes.
All right.
Expected by Kone. That maintained by Kone.
The end looks like in the 1990s they renewed the numbers here.
Ah, yeah.
You see they are old ones, the original ones. Then beneath the numbers, those newer ones.
Yeah.
I think this is in the staircase T is the only place where they have done it.
Yes.
A, B, and C have the original numbers. Still more visible.
Yeah.
I think it's because it had already become really torn. That's why they put them.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's